Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Binance how to add a bank account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To add a bank account to Binance, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Binance app, and then once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account with your Binance credentials as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the wallet icon on the bottom right. Now once you tap on wallet, all you gotta do is select funding. Then inside funding, tap on P2P or choose withdraw it for fiat. Then simply tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, and then once you're inside here, all you gotta do is simply tap on your payment methods. Then once you're inside your payment methods, simply tap on add a new payment method. Then once you do that, simply select bank transfer and enter your bank details like name, account number, and etc. Then once that's done, all you gotta do is tap on confirm, and that will add a bank account to your Binance. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.